Hello EFSians, I want to express how grateful EFS to all the heroes who have worked round the clock during these testing and difficult times. Despite the hardships and health risks during the COVID-19, our team worked very hard to maintain the business continuity. I am proud and inspired by the way our company has risen to this challenge with flexibility, resilience, most of all compassion. It was not easy for the staff to work, especially in the healthcare industry or portfolios where the risks were so high, and they went out with courage and delivered the services to ensure the patients are treated and they get all the support and the facilities are maintained all the time. In this new normal, Centurion Club Star of the Month, we recognize our employees for their hard work, dedication and commitment. I would also like to thank the colleagues who are nominating the staff for Centurion Club for their excellent work. I encourage them to continue to do that so that staff is always motivated and they feel that their efforts and their hard work is being recognized by their supervisor, their line managers, their colleagues. I would like to congratulate all the achievers and those also who they have been nominated but they're not coming up to the limit of Star of the Month, but they deserve all the congratulations. Thank you very much all, and stay protected, stay fit, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Mr. Anil has supported us, the site and the client during the COVID-19 initial stages when the pandemic had broke down. We, myself and my team, and he has extensively supported the site, staying at site 24/7, and the client satisfaction and the operation was delivered on full strength between services and the client satisfaction. That's why I have appreciated him, as the client was also appreciating him for the same job. Thank you, all the best.
Good morning, I am Arnel Kayanan. I am working as an HVAC technician. I would like to thank for choosing me as Star of the Month. I would like to thank my management, my manager, engineer, supervisor, and my colleagues. Thank you very much. I will work harder in this company.
The drivers to make sure that our team is actually picked and dropped on time. He also helped us with a great initiative when we started with the recovery from Corona, on that shield separating the driver and ensuring a driver is safe when they transport either positive cases or quarantine cases. Something that we struggled at the beginning, all drivers were refusing to do it, and then with that shield they felt more safe, and then they started to go and drive without any challenge. Despite all the fact that initially we gave them all the necessary PPEs, we gave them everything they need, but they still felt uncomfortable and then at risk. So after that shield, they were driving very, very comfortably, I would say. So many people have actually nominated you as the Star of the Month, and they gave you points. Because we were not able to do it in Dubai office, we're celebrating today, particularly for Karan here in Abu Dhabi office. So a big for Karan.
Several nominations. Okay. One from Expo Project, Abdullah, okay, and one from HSBC Project, Tawfiq. So keep up the fantastic work you've been doing. You're inspiring a lot of people by doing this, and we hope you reach 100 points very soon.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Right. Congratulations for Samira.
Thank you very much. Aisha is my hero, and she is an inspiration for all of us, and she's made a mark for herself in L&D, and I hope that she grows and grows and grows, and many more stars to come.
Thank you so much for this appreciation. It means a lot to me. I am extremely happy and motivated for some more remarkable work. It's all team effort. Thank you Abdullah Rafiq from Expo and Praveen Nair from HSBC project for appreciating. It was not possible without the efforts of both the projects and team. It was all teamwork. Thanks a lot.
Okay. The appreciations what we have received for Madam Purnima is from our blue collar workforce who have been the survivors, the successors of coming out of the COVID-19 situations. She has been interacting with them day and night to ensure their well-being, their health conditions, and I think they have started missing her. Once they have been away from the COVID now, they are COVID-free, but they still feel that there was somebody who has ensured while they are away from their families. In UAE, they never felt that they were away from their families because Purnima has ensured that they have taken care of themselves when it comes to the health. I do not to say much, but definitely Purnima, you would like to say something. We would like to congratulate you. We would like to hear from you your journey as worker welfare.
We reached out in spirit. It was a very emotional experience actually, because those guys didn't know what was COVID, what was the virus, what was it affecting, how much it was affecting them. They had no idea about it. But as we start speaking to them and getting information, that's the time we are going into their comfort zone. And I feel that is what is required for everyone, not just for the blue collar people, also for the general public also. And I think this time when, as a company, as EFS, when we could give that to them, the comfort level, the ease level, I think that was the greatest for them than anything else.
Even also the plumbing, even electrical, he will not, I didn't see he is refusing this such kind of, whatever the jobs the supervisor or engineer is assigning, he should do. He always fulfilling the requirements also. And even the AC person is, if you have a supervisor is sending on AC and on like a carpenter Edwin, the work is doing by he only, because he is taking the leadership to complete the task. And sometimes the AC is helping him.
That's
The confidence level is highly appreciated to how he is completing the job. Anyway, congratulations, Edwin. He did a
He's the first star of the month.
Yeah, he is.
Okay.
No more comment.
You are the first star of the month, and always you wear with this with you. Okay, every day you can wear this one. And someone will come and ask you, okay, what is this? Okay, you can proudly say, I am the star of the month from here first. Due to my hard work. This is a token of appreciation from the company and from the management. Okay?
Thank you.
Keep the good work. Okay, you have.
And what is there only work?
That's something. Keep the good work. What else say? And
Only sometimes my mind damaged.
that will repair. You have medicine, we'll repair it. Don't worry. Okay, I think you are doing a very good job from start beginning. You are not only the handyman work, you are doing the AC work. So
Thank you to the EFS team and management for this appreciation. It's an appreciation for us to do more. Thank you very much.
Lord Fred, he is another example of determination. Okay. He joined us as a logistics porter. With his determination and his confidence, he managed to convince the management that he is capable of handling the concierge role. And since last 2 years he is working with us as a concierge. And today he is an all-rounder who can manage any shift and any towers within the APR towers he can handle. And we are very confident that he can go miles. Okay, you have a long way to go. Keep up the good work and we are really happy about it. Thank you.
Changing did a lot of hard work and effort when we start that COVID center. You know that one because he was there in CHSC Mustafa earlier. After we closed out this facility, he moved there. He got a lot of appreciation from the client, the end user, everyone. He started, he was working very hard because he worked even the late night also. He came here, he moved all these things. I know that it is not only his commitment because you all supported him. as a back support. But we cannot keep everyone in the same thing, but you need to continue the same thing. So we are just appreciating him as the star of the month in July.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening to all. I am very glad to receive this award, and I am feeling too proud to be EFSM. I would thank to EFS appreciation of my small efforts. Thanks to Sir IG and team achieve me this prize. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks to all. Thank you, EFS.
I want to say thank you for being issued the Star of the Month, and I'm particularly grateful for the chance to work for EFS. I have grown in special ways. I'm very grateful to my manager, my supervisor, and the whole EFS fraternity. Thank you so much.
Speaking about Dorothy is a very pleasant character, very jovial. That's why many tenants at ours likes her very much. Recently, she helped the tenant getting his misplaced delivery package. She had to call many other tenants, and successfully she returned the delivery to the original tenant. And that tenant was so happy. He had written appreciation letter, an email commending the performance of Dorothy. So we are really happy to have you in our team, and I hope you will keep up the great work. Thank you, Dorothy.
Thank you so much for giving me Star of the Month. Client sending me the email for appreciation, and even though the company giving me Star of the Month, I'm very happy. I will put my more effort to pursue the company and as well as me. Thank you.
Thank you.
So Gauss is our trusted soldier of night shift. He has to deal with many arrogant tenants, maybe late in the midnight as well. And recently one of the tenants has appreciated his efforts and also even told to the extent that he is renewing his contract because of people like Gauss. He is ready for the next level, and we hope that he will continue doing the same job, doing the great work. Keep it up, guys. Thank you so much.
For the month of July, John. So thank you, John. Your work always stood by the expectation and meaningful contribution to success in this company. We value your presence. Thank you so much. We proud you.
जॉन भाई कैसे लगा आपको अवार्ड मिला?
थैंक यू बस अभी अवार्ड मिलेगा, अच्छा लग रहा है। अभी ऐसे भी काम करेगा और ये उसमें अच्छे से काम करेगा। थैंक यू।
I'm sure Hassan will agree with me that without Tufail, I don't think we can run the operation of Alin. He knows the operation of Alin in and out. He never says no for anything. We can call him at night, 12 o'clock, with 2 rings, he will answer the phone and he will say, yes sir, I'm going. Okay, so thank you for owning it. He started as housekeeping, then he was promoted as team leader, and now he is what? Multifunctional asset for us. Okay, he does everything for Alin. So thank you so much.
And everyone takes Tufail as he is the team leader for housekeeping team only, but that's not true. His contribution towards the whole Alin project has been commendable, and it's not only the housekeeping part that he's looking after. Even if I need his support in LEP anywhere, he has never said no to it. So I think that's a great attribute of him, which he is a great team player, and I'm sure he will be a very, very valuable asset for any of the team.